channel. Wow, I've seen another best site that pays you minimum money per day, earning up to $5 in a day without doing nothing, just mining USDT. So I'm not we are looking for this type of site without doing anything, just leave your phone. You can even log out from the site, do whatever you want to do and start earning. So if you want to know more about this site, so don't forget to subscribe, like and share the videos and on your notification button. So let's go to this site now. So this is the site here. So this site pays you money inside your USDT wallet. So and the minimum payout is $5 is the minimum payout. In a day you'll be earning up to 40 USDT in a day. Wow, this is just a new site. This is just a new site. So and they are really paying people in this site now. Can you see it's just mining very fast and mining almost 1 USDT. So in a day you're earning up to 40 USDT within 24 hours. So if you leave this thing for like 24 hours, you'll be earning up to 40 USDT in a day. So let's go to the withdraw now. So your main balance is 0.01 USDT. So withdraw will be paid in TRX. $1 equals to 17 TRS. So and the minimum is 5 USDT, 5 USDT, and the maximum you can withdraw in a day is 100 USDT in a day. So you just press your what amount here, 5, press confirm. You don't have enough earnings balance, so that's all about this side. That's what you just need to do. Just keep mining. In a day they'll pay you your money into your trust wallet. So to add your trust wallet account to your this thing, you can just what log out. So just press what start mining. You see, you should enter your USDT code. So you have to what go to your trust wallet or your Binance or your any wallet you are using. So you have to what copy your USDT address and paste it here, and you enter your password, you create your password and you press what continue to that. So I've logged into my account. So say I can log into my account. So I'll be dropping the referral link, the link of this site in the comment section. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.